So we're Team DynoSRC, and we were trying to solve a problem of mobile performance. We're living in a world where mobile is the #1 platform now on the internet. Mobile first, desktop second. One of the problems that you have on mobile is that you have a very limited cache size inside the browser. Your resources are probably going to get evicted from the user's cache faster than you want them to, probably in between your deploys, not sticking around as long as you'd like. So one of the ways that we solve this is to use local storage instead of the built-in browser cache. And a nice benefit of using local storage to store your JavaScript assets for the user is that you always know exactly what the user has in their cache. Another problem associated with the mobile landscape is speed. But really, it's not the bandwidth that's slow on mobile, it's just latency. A lot of times, people's 4G phones have a faster bandwidth than their home internet connections. But with HTTP requests on a mobile network, there's a minimum of 200 milliseconds of latency associated with each request. So one way that people have tried to get around this problem is to just inline all of their JavaScript into their HTML pages. Problem is that every single time you load that HTML page, you're going to get that entire JavaScript payload. So our solution to both of those problems is to only inline the JavaScript into the page when the user doesn't already have that file in their local storage cache. So another problem, which is not just limited to mobile, is that anytime you update and deploy your JavaScript, you end up forcing returning visitors to download the entire package of JavaScript all over again. So we solve this problem by sending in diffs in the inline JavaScript payloads that we send down to the client. So the client simply takes its current copy of the code and patches up to the new copy. A really nice benefit of this is that no matter how far back the client code is, it can always be patched up to the latest version. So we're Team DynoSRC, and that's what we built. Check out our entry and vote for us, and npm install DynoSRC.